Welcome to Public Daily Bulletin, your go-to source for the latest happenings and events. Today, we bring you an exclusive coverage of the grand inauguration of the Majlis, the Terrace Talk, a culinary heaven nestled near North Dum Dum Airport at Kaikali. On the 14th of Jan 2024, the vibrant atmosphere of Majlis came to life as Tollywood sensation, the charming Sauraseni Maitra graced the occasion with her presence, adding a touch of glamour to this culinary extravaganza. Majlis, the Terrace Talk, a gastronomic paradise, promises an exquisite dining experience blending the rich heritage of Kaikali with a contemporary twist. From the moment you step in, the ambience captivates and the aroma of delectable cuisines fill the air. The inauguration ceremony was nothing short of spectacular, with Sauraseni Maitra expressing her excitement about this new culinary venture. She praised the unique concept of Majlis and congratulated the team behind culinary masterpiece. Our cameras captured the joyous moments, the clinking of glasses and the laughter echoing through the Majlis as guests indulge in the sumptuous offering. From traditional flavors to modern delights, Majlis caters to every palate.
Hello, thank you for having me. My name is Srideep Ghosh. Being the founder of Pool Cafe Club and Hospitality, it's an immense pleasure to have the first project opening of the year 2024. A beautiful cafe we are in right now, Majlis, who's the opening of this cafe is starts today onwards, and it's an Arabian themed cafe. I believe it's a very unique cafe which we don't have in Kolkata right now. So I would request all visitors and audience to please visit Majlis Cafe. And on behalf of our organization, Pool Cafe Club and Hospitality, I want to thank all the members of the team, all the well-wishers. And this is our 29th project and the first project opening of this year. And Pool Cafe Club and Hospitality does project in cafe, club, hotel, resort section. And thank you so much for having me. So my last word would be, please come to Majlis, which is located in VIP Road near airport, and feel the Arabian vibes. Thank you so much. Definitely, there are various Arabian delights, cuisines, and special cuisines which is Arabic themed. So you can have those. Apart from that, we also have the North Indian and the Chinese and continental food, which is there. We have refreshing mocktails and beautiful served hookahs, designer hookahs. So please come and please visit. Thank you.
In the heart of City of Joy of India, Kolkata, we have come near Airport City, and this is Kaikali, where Majlis Restaurant today inauguration happened. And this is a wonderful place with various types of delicacies, culinary delights. And I would like to draw your attention to the owner of this restaurant. So, hello sir.
Hello sir.
What's your name?
My name Mohammad Nadeem. Right.
So, what are the delicacies about this?
Oh, sorry,
What are
Pardon?
the delicacies, recipes, dishes
Uh,
of
the
this
di-
restaurant?
Sir, basically there are so many things like pool sections, cabana, and like everybody is quite familiar about eating food, but like it is completely different from others, as like people wants to come or wants to go some places where they can get some more entertainment. So we have just planned to organize such place where they can easily enjoy everything. Like as you can see, there's a rooftop. It's very common. People wants to go out and it's and also you can see there's a club section, people wants to dance. There's a play section, people wants to play. So people, everybody can come, not for eating purpose only, but for all the entertainment parts, right?
So, what's your name?
Sadab Bashri, of course, we will succeed one day. I'm very happy because my husband worked very hard to reach here, and very happy. I want Allah succeed us in this platform, because this food platform is there is a very competition in this platform, but I want my husband to reach very high, and this Majlis will go high definitely. That's all. That's all.
Yeah, I have been in UAE, so I tried falafel, right? So we planned some more dishes, right? Some extra, yeah, to add on some Arabic dishes. The people who have been already in UAE, so they can get some kind of that dishes here. We are still planning on that.
So there are various types of salad, rock salad.
Salad, right? Salad, hookahs, lots more. Still on the way.
So what's your name?
Myra Nadeem.
Yeah, it's
Daughter.
my daughter.
What's your name?
Myra Nadeem.
How are you feeling?
How you feeling?
Public Daily Bulletin,
Happy?
co-powered by Mishra Interiors, where dreams meet designs. Transform your living places with Mishra Interiors. Call 743943735 to elevate your home decor to unparalleled elegance. Don't miss out on the buzz.
From Arabic delicacies to Indian delights, welcome to Majlis, the Terrace Talk. There are so many type of salads are there, like green salad, sprout and cherry tomato salad, pesto pasta salad, clock salad, it's a different salad, roasted chicken salad, chicken Caesar salad, and very types of foods are there. Please come. And
So Majlis restaurant consists of different types of menus, from kababs to mocktails, and there are hookahs, there are games like 8 ball, and there is a very much eye-catching option regarding membership offer details. They have gold membership 5,000 for 3 months, exactly rupees 4,999 for 3 months, where you can get complimentary games, 15% off on food bills, and 15% off on party bookings. And there is also a platinum membership that is of only rupees 14,999, and this is for 1 year, and that gold membership is for only 3 months. Thus platinum membership is for 1 year, and here also there is complimentary games, 20% off on food bill and 20% off on party bookings. So why wait, guys? Come here, enjoy your time in this Majlis Cafe.
Subscribe to Public Daily Bulletin for more exclusive coverage of the hottest events and updates. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news and events. Thank you for tuning in to the Public Daily Bulletin, your window to the world of entertainment, culture and lifestyle. Until next time, stay tuned and stay updated.